There were leaks that were coming in, a million beams in this space, CMU block with candles in it, and none of it really made sense. It was really, really random. I'm just going to go over a few things real quick that we included when we did the remodel of this restaurant. Some things that were very, very touch point. We want to really affect exactly what the guest is going to see and what they're going to touch. And that usually stays within the range of about 5 feet to about 2 feet. Taking that into consideration, of course, we redid all of the walls. We redid where we had some cubbies in the back that had CMU block with candles in it. When it came to the bar area, it's in the middle of the restaurant, and we had some issues that we had to deal with. There were leaks that were coming in. We did not have an ADA compliant seating towards the back, and that is required by law, both federal and by state here in Texas. So we basically rebuilt the bar. And then we came back with some tambour wood paneling on the front. We've got quartz countertops. We added the gantry above with some lighting. So not only does it look good, but it also offers storage for bottles, etc., and for additional inventory rather than having to find storage somewhere else. There were a million beams in this space up in the ceiling, and none of it really made sense. So we came in and we cleaned things up and just feel like it was more intentional rather than just random. And before it was really, really random. We came in and we refaced and redid the sushi bar and raised the height to give more of an elevated experience. It seemed kind of overbearing when we had tall tables against the wall and we had shorter seating at the sushi bar when people are walking in between and sitting and looking over. All new flooring in here as well. All new paint, all new wall covering, all new ceiling paint, all new furniture, all the things that make a restaurant feel like a restaurant and represent a band. That's what we did.